Hello, Paul here from AMD again. Today we have a Mercedes ML500. This is the actual, this is the model of the shape. I'll show you the shape so you know what model it is. This is the shape of the car, same with the headlight, tail lights. Let's go there, go back to the front. So today I finished, there was a problem with the actual windscreen washer. So the customer was telling us every time he activated the windscreen washer, nothing was coming on. So this is the actual old part, sits here, it was really noisy, and then nothing was working. It was just like making a loud noise, but nothing was working. So we don't need that anymore. We've got a new one, new seal underneath here. So make sure when you replace this, make sure you replace that with a new seal. There's a new seal that sits down here at the bottom right there, just like that one. The seal there at the bottom, that one there, the bottom of the wire pump, that's the one. There's that one here. Make sure you replace that as well. And just a little trick to take that off. So you gotta see that one there. There's two. One is broken in half, clip, like a clip, but it's not broken. It's just cut in half, and then the other one's here. So what you're gonna do, you gotta unlock it. You gotta push it that way. Sorry, I'll go back so you can see it. To lock it, it's this way. So to unlock it, just gotta push it that way, and then push that out. Sorry, I think it's the other way around. Push it in and then take it out. Either way, I don't want to take it out because otherwise that will come off. Sorry, but this one here, you just gotta take that clip off here, like that. Just expand that clip, move it down a little bit down, and that will come off. So that's the way you do it. That's how you do both. And this is a bit different from that one, and then that's how you unlock it. Okay, so now we're gonna test it. So now we're gonna test it. Press the button. Whoa, beautiful. Yep, that's it. One more time. Press it. Yep, beautiful. So now that's working. Put everything back together and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.